Welcome back to another video from John Kleis Cardio. My name's Max. Today I've got this lovely BMW E92 M3 behind me. Fantastic 4-litre V8 engine. This vehicle has come all the way from Russia. Yeah. It's come all the way from Russia to John Kleis for an Apple CarPlay upgrade and a reverse camera. I'll give you a quick show on what that looks like around the back of the vehicle, the reverse camera, before we hop inside. So reverse camera is fitted to the back of this vehicle. A little bit hard to notice, but here we have a little boot handle camera. So this camera here will see what's going on behind the vehicle, a very OEM looking camera. And yeah, that's going to show you exactly what's going on. When you're reversing, so you can reverse with confidence. Now the Apple CarPlay system will automatically hook up as you get in and out of the car, and we have Apple CarPlay on the screen. So here we have Apple CarPlay working on, I say the factory screen, I'm not going to say that because it's not the factory screen. We have replaced this. We do have an option which is a little bit larger, but I personally would go for this one if this was my own car. Their screen is a touch screen and it's an 8.8-inch display and looks pretty much just like the factory option, and it all fits in there very neatly. You can use the control dial down here to navigate around the system. It's quite seamless in that aspect. You've got steering wheel controls for skipping tracks. You can press the voice button and now activate Siri. And yeah, it's a fantastic way of really bringing this car up to date with what all the newer cars of today would have as standard. When you put the vehicle into reverse, like so, we'll be met with this lovely reverse camera image showing exactly what is going on behind the vehicle. You can see the line of the bumper, which is quite nice, so that you know exactly where you're going with it. This Apple CarPlay system, it is a new screen. We do offer options where we can upgrade the factory system to have Apple CarPlay as well, but in this system, this is the display system where we change out that factory screen, put in our new screen, and it is the best option that I would really recommend for these particular vehicles. And we also offer this same upgrade for a lot of other BMWs, E-Series, F-Series 2, and also for Mercedes platform vehicles as well. So if you want to get Apple CarPlay in your vehicle, we're going to bring it up to date. This is one of the best systems to have for these vehicles. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to show you too much more. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it all wirelessly works. You've got a nice touchscreen that you can use, which is nice for just selecting the apps and things like that sometimes, but you also got the ability to use your rotary control dial for flicking around into things, because that's always going to be quite easy to use while you're driving as well. My name's Max, this is John Kleis Cardio. If you want to get Apple CarPlay or a reverse camera added to your vehicle, get in contact. Thanks for watching, take care, and goodbye.